How to fix Snapchat camera rotate problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat camera rotate problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, let's start with the fix number 1, that is to turn auto rotate off. So here, if you're facing the camera rotation problem on Snapchat, then what you can simply do is just swipe down from the top right side, and now here on the settings panel there you'll see the lock orientation option. So there you can simply tap on it to enable it, and once you do that, it can help to fix the camera rotation problem on Snapchat. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 2, that is to restart the Snapchat. So here, if you're facing problem of the camera rotation on Snapchat, then what you can do is just close the Snapchat app, and after that you can simply open it again to check if the problem is fixed or not. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 3, that is to restart your phone. So here, what you can do is just power off your phone for certain time, and after some times you can simply turn it back on, and it's simple, but it helps to fix the sensor glitches a lot. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 4, that is to update the Snapchat. So here you can simply open the Play Store, and now here once you're inside you can simply search for Snapchat. And now here, if you see any update button, then what you can do is just tap on update to update it to the latest version, because the buggy version or the older version might be causing the camera issues too. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 5, that is to clear the Snapchat cache. So here, if you're having the Snapchat camera rotation problem, then what you can do is just tap and hold on the Snapchat app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings, then what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache, and here confirm it, and once you do that, it will help you to clear all the unnecessary data. And with this, it will be able, or you will be able to fix Snapchat camera rotation problem. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.